Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color of last page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here some page with page color. Now we want to remove the color on the last page. Go to the last page, then go to page design menu, then click the background option. Now we can see here some option. Now we select the none, then go to the another page and go to the last page. We can see we remove the page color only last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.